Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This video will discuss about the project Cryptoro Coin is the native currency of Cryptoro.com. Cryptoro Coin is the native currency of Cryptoro.com and is born as a Hafiz token of the innovative Cryptoro project, which bases in strike into different but complementary areas. On the one hand, product enabled at the end consumer, or B2C, business to consumer, where applications are designed and created always be cryptocurrencies as a reference, which help to improve people's life and to take care of their financial health. The project has an affiliation system or career plan, in which people around the world receive commission for marketing the products offered by the company in this marketplace and see their income grow. In this area, Cryptoro Coin as an utility token is a fundamental place. This is volume of token for sale, total supply and token price, maximum purchase amount and minimum purchase amount, CTRO utility and value, purchase of technological and efficient service from crypto. 1. Income declaration. 2. Technology and software service. 3. Digital marketing and web design, consultant and counseling 360 degrees, a crypto editorial, Cryptoro Multi-Exchange, Army Universe Platform, Arbitration Hub, Exchange Platform, Non-Custodial, APP Cryptoro Sports, DIPP, Movistar Inter VC, Cryptoro Augmented Virtual Reality, CRVI, Next Cryptoro Aeronautical. Okay. Next slide. CTRO can be used to acquire different products and services from Cryptoro and third-party companies. CTRO is the Cryptoro token that can be used for, among others, the following accounts. This is Cryptoro tickets. In order to buy the best ticket for football, futsal, basketball, handball, concert, and other show. Cryptoro Bitcap offers definition solution send and allow its user to transmit encrypted data in short and decentralized way using CDI Blackcoin when in also reduced context. Crypto transfer, revolutionary line and products that, for example, will allow users on the platform to send encrypted messages between the Bitcoin blockchain. It can also be used to community and other type of sensitive information destined for a single interlocution in a private key. Next slide. It will also be possible to carry out transactions using other payment methods. The use of Cryptoro tokens would provide attractive discount to users. Where the CTRO is burned depending on token circulation and traded volume that approached announced. Finally, the usual token is the ICO and the established IEO of total of 375 millions, 62.50% of the total 500 million of total supply will be burned. This interesting the start of CTRO. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Waiting for the next